Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are coming at you with another success story, and this one is so special. We are so proud of this one. It belongs to Saurav Shori, who cleared the Rajasthan Judicial Services. There are so many special aspects to the story, but the one that is most special to us is that a couple of months ago, on the video where we interviewed Harshvardhan Thakur, our superstar, Saurav commented on that video saying, I would love to share my interview someday over here. And today he is fulfilling that dream. His interview is up here, and we are so proud and so delighted to bring it to you. When you have such a strong focus and you put that dream out there, it motivates you to get to your dream that much faster. So if you guys feel motivated, if you would like to leave your interview here someday, then put it in the comments. Saurav prepared on his own. He did self-study. When you read the interview, you will figure out that he's been listening to everything that we've been saying, that prepare for the means in advance, because once the PT result comes out, you will have just 2 months. Make sure that you give importance to the language papers, make sure that you do the bare acts well for the PT and the MCQs and answer writing. So all of the good advice that we've been doling out, you can see that he has absorbed all of it, and he is going to give you the same pointers. So go ahead, and without any further delay, let's get into this video.